Next synthetic fiber is the polyester. Polyester is the another synthetic fiber. This fabrics made from this fiber that does not get wrinkled easily. These polyesters made of the repeating units of chemicals known as the ester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber derived from the coal, air, water and the petroleum. Fabrics made of polyester are sold by their names like polycot, polywool, terrycot, etc. Everywhere you will observe that there is a mixing of two types of fibers. Polycot, it is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. You might have noticed that your mother always buy PET bottles, and that is PET jars for storing rice and sugar. You might have wondered what is PET is, right? So, we'll learn that later, but before that, we'll just see what are the properties of these polyesters material. You might have also wearing the clothes which are made up of polyester fabrics. So, fabrics made from this fiber, they do not get wrinkled easily, and therefore no need to iron these clothes. It remains crisp and it is easy to wash, as well as it is suitable for making the dress materials, and it can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. Then the PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate. Your mother buys the PET bottles and the PET jars. This is also a form of the polyester. These PET bottles can be recycled and used to manufacture the new bottles. It can be used for packaging the foods and beverages and personal care products and many other consumer products. This is also used for making the bottles, utensils, films, wires, etc. Terylene is also another popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. Polyester, if you will notice, poly plus ester. That means polyester is actually made up of repeating units of chemicals known as the esters. And esters are the chemicals which gives fruits their smell. Okay, so this is what about the polyester. Now you wear sweaters, right? You use the shawls or the blankets in the winter. Many of these are actually not made from the natural wool, though it appears to resemble, and it resembles to the wool. Wool, it is very costly. Therefore, these are prepared from another type of synthetic fibers and are called as the acrylic. As the wool is very costly, therefore the sweaters and shawls which we wear in the winter are actually not made from the natural wool. Rather, it is made from the material which resembles to the wool, and these are prepared from the another type of synthetic fiber, and that is known as the acrylic. Acrylic is a synthetic fiber made from polymers of acrylic acid or acrylates. The wool obtained from the natural sources is quite expensive, whereas the clothes made of acrylic are relatively cheap. They are available in a variety of colors. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which makes them more popular than the natural fibers. So we have learned 4 types of synthetic fibers, that is rayon, nylon, polyester and the acrylic. All these synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin and are called as the petrochemicals. Now, what are the characteristics of these synthetic fibers? Imagine that it is a rainy day. Then what kind of umbrella would you use and why? Synthetic fibers possess unique characteristics which make them popular dress materials. They dry up quickly, they are durable, they are less expensive, they are readily available, and they are easy to maintain. To understand this, let us perform a short activity. For that, take two clothes pieces of the same size, roughly half a meter square each. One of these should be from natural fiber and the other could be a synthetic fiber. You can take help of your parents in selecting these pieces. Soak the pieces in different mugs, each containing the same amount of water. Take the pieces out of the container after 5 minutes and spread them in the sun for a few minutes. Compare the volume of the water remaining in each container. So, do synthetic fabrics soak less or more water than the natural fabrics? So obviously, yes, synthetic fabrics, they absorb less water. And why they absorb the less water is the synthetic fibers, they don't have empty spaces, whereas natural fibers, they have empty spaces and therefore they absorb more water. Do they take less or more time to dry? So synthetic fibers, they dry up faster than the cotton clothes or than the natural fibers. As I have said that there are empty spaces present in the natural fibers, whereas synthetic fibers, they don't have empty spaces, therefore no scope to absorb the water. So what we can conclude from this activity is, as there is no empty spaces in the synthetic fibers, they dry up faster. They soak less water and therefore it says about the property of synthetic fiber, that is, the synthetic fibers have ability to dry up quickly. Besides that, there are some disadvantages of synthetic fibers. You might have observed that your mother never wear polyester clothes while working in the kitchen. Why? Because the synthetic fibers melt on heating. If the clothes catches the fire, it can be disastrous. These fabrics melt and stick to the body of the person wearing it. Therefore, we should not wear these synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in the laboratory. So this is what about these types of synthetic fibers. So here we'll stop. So what we have learned here is the 4 types of synthetic fibers with their characteristics and the disadvantages. Thank you. See you in the next session.